Least common multiple. LCM for short. Or Lasso. I don't know which one, but they're the same thing. See how it says 2 fits right here? And I put 2 down. See how it says 1 right here on this numerator? No, this one. Record that one. See this one? Even though it has a 10 right there because it's the denominator, and you put the denominator first. Excuse me. I still would put 2, so you'd put 10, 20. Because you can't just put 10 and expect it to be there when you do the other one. So the then you would come down here and start counting. So this number helps me how many to do. But on 1, you would casually put 2. Because you can't just put 1 because the 10's already right here too. So you'd start with that on your number line. Then you go from here. I say I'm going to do 5 of these. Or until you see a number that matches up here. So I'm just going to do 5, 10, 15. I know on the way, before I put 15, I saw a 10 that matched here. But I just wanted to put the other number in case. So then you'd put a bar on top of it like a fraction on every one, even though if they're not correct. And then you do this. See the 1 for this number? That's this line. And then you go start counting from a 1 and go 1, 2. Now this one you would count by 3s. 3, 6, 9.
Why don't you count by 3s on the 1?
Because that's not the number.
Okay.
And then you would continue. So you see, if you have 15 and 15 and 10 and 10, that'd be wrong. You did your whole equation wrong. You just erase the 15 and the 15 and carry on. And then you would do 10 and 20. Or you miscounted. And then you would do this. There's never going to be a time where you have a 10 and 10 and a 20 and 20. If you do that, erase it, or you did your problem wrong. You gotta or you miscounted. So you would lasso this. The 10 and the 10. You would lasso it. So right here I put an equal mark and I put a plus. I forgot to do that. And so I would keep the equal mark here. That's my decision. You don't have to do that, but I put an equal mark right there, and I put a 10, and then I put a bar on top because denominator stays the same. And then you take this, the 2 numerators, and add them together. So 6 plus 1 equals 7. So then you take this 7 and put it on top of the 10, and 7/10 would be your answer. Least common multiple. LCM for short, or Lasso.